Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another beautiful album, and look, that is how it looks. Let's quickly do the unboxing. Yes, I have got it printed with Canvera again. I am getting many calls, many DMs randomly asking if I do the printing. No, I do not do the printing. I just design my client's album, I compose it, I send it across to Canvera. They are the one who prints it out. I say what material I want, what quality, what design and what not. So all the specifications I give, they are the one who print it across and send it to me. So let's get back to what we are into. Let's open it up and see how this looks like. Here. Wow. That is how our box looks like. So that's the front. That's the back. I'll even turn it up and show you here. This is how the back cover looks like. This is the front of the box. This is just the box. Let me just open it up and show you how it looks. Ta-da! You can actually use the box as well. See, that's so pretty. So let me just keep these aside. So that is how it looks. So the front is again the same. That's the star, front cam. That's the star, and behind there's another one. That's right here. Let me show you the top angle as well. This is how it looks. Let's open it up. Wow. Wow. Look at that, guys. It's so good. I'm really excited. Let's open it up quickly. That's the first page. I'm just gonna turn it up very soon. The material is matte. It's really pretty. That is how it looks. Here, imaginary pictures. The quality is really nice. So this is how it looks. So let me just quickly turn it up. So here it is all about the album. The star, it's really good. It's nice and thick. Wow, so pretty, you guys. Family portraits. There's the mom and the baby. That's it. That's the card. It's a quality guaranteed card, and that's it. That's it about the album. That's a quick video onto this album. So here, guys, generally I have many questions coming up. How does the newborn album look like? There are many various other options of how you can do or what you can do. This is the second one which I've showed you right now on my YouTube channel. I show you more when I'm getting it printed. Usually it just goes off like that. I don't really get time to show it up, but yes, this is another bunch. It's really nice. I would recommend you to go ahead and print this one. So here is all about it, and yeah, for further questions or queries you can hit me up on my mail ID. And to follow more, please do subscribe my channel, my YouTube link. Follow my Instagram handle. I have two Instagram handles. One is Casper Photography, the other one is Newborn Photography Bangalore. Both are mine. You can go ahead and follow that. You can follow my reel because I have all other videos coming up in that. And please let me know what would you like to see further, so that I can come over and show you up. And yes, that's it for today. Hope you like the album. It's really a pretty piece. It's a beautiful one. And also guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates onto all such photography and album things. Take care until bye bye.